Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have a look at this fan, which is remote controlled. It's sitting in the corner there. We did set it up already, and yeah, it's unfortunate we still have the wrong setup here. We're still trying to do our best to record and do stuff, and I think it should be just a couple more days, and then we should have our main setup back. Then we're done moving and all, so that's good. And yeah, until then, we have to stick to this little screen here. I'm sorry about that. But anyway, this is the fan, and as you can see, it's running right now. You can tilt it in different directions if that's something you are looking for, which is good to know. At least in my opinion, I think so it is. And then there's like the functions on this display. As you see, we increase and decrease the power of the fan easily with the remote control, so that is quite nice as well. And then you can also make it rotate. I mean, it's pretty common these days. It's not like it's super special or anything, but it's getting a job done. It looks good, it feels good, it is not loud at all, and we are more than satisfied with this little piece. So yeah, that's gonna be it, you guys. I'm Badger. I will see you around in the next video. Take care. Until then, bye bye.